Hi folks, Vic Ismailov here, co-founder of SparkHub. I'm going to take the next few minutes to show you how to create, share, and present SparkHub documents. So once you log into your account, what you want to do is click this new button that's going to take you to an interface where you have the option of following a survey-like questionnaire with prompts to help you create the initial draft of your document. You can use that if you choose, or what I prefer to do is just skip to Builder and go ahead and start creating my document directly with this what you see is what you get interface. So what we want to do is at the top you have a what we're calling an objective statement. That's basically the goal of the meeting that you want to accomplish, the goal that you're trying to solve with your document, the problem that you'd like to solve, or an objective that you want accomplished. So you enter that on this line, or you can skip over that and to enter recommendation. The recommendation in this case can be, let's say we want to recommend a vehicle. If our goal is to buy a car, and we're going to say we're going to recommend to buy a Ferrari, what we want to do next is add some reasons that support that rationale. I'm going to call this row reasons, and you can call it whatever you like if you want to use a different framing. But let's say we're going to say reason number one why we want to recommend buying a Ferrari is because they're fun. We're also recommending them because they're fast and because they're cheaper than Bugattis. So there you go. Those are your top 3 reasons why we recommend for you to buy a Ferrari. The next layer that you want to add here is what we're calling the evidence layer. So you can add boxes, as many as you like. I'll call it evidence here. Again, the labels are flexible. You can call them whatever you like. Create any kind of grid you prefer. Here I'm just going to enter some evidence, which is actually directly supports the reasons that we have. In this case, why a Ferrari is fun? Well, it's because they make some of the best engine sounds. And why a Ferrari is fast? Well, because they can go 200 miles an hour. And how do we know that Ferraris are cheaper than Bugattis? Well, based on our research, they cost less. Here you go. So you can keep things at this level. You can add additional detail multiple ways here. You can keep your presentation at what we're calling evidence summary level, the gray boxes you see here. You can add attachments. You can add images. So for example, here I'm going to go ahead and select an image here that I will incorporate into our presentation. And if you hover over it, you'll see it here, and then I'll show you how to deploy it during a presentation. Additionally, and you can do the same with attachments, you can attach files and then view them as needed. You can add an extra layer of detail if you like. So for example, you can add additional boxes, which I will call evidence summary. Evidence detail, as you can see here. I'll add 3 of them. This is additional statements here that will support, go into more detail about what is it that makes Ferraris so good sounding. And so I'll add 3 statements here that you can see. And same as at the evidence summary level, you can add attachments as well as images at this level. And we'll go ahead and do that. I'll show you how to do that here. You click this expand button, click to select. We'll select the other image here, and then I'll show you how to deploy it during a presentation. You can open and collapse this layer as needed, and then I'll show you how to use it when you put it in presentation mode. There's additional features here that I won't cover for now. We have upvotes, downvotes, and commenting. They work as you might expect. For now, I'll just show you how to share and present, and we'll wrap this up. Sharing, you just click this button here. You can copy a link and then paste it into an email or Slack to share with anybody you like. It's going to give them a read-only version that they can still comment and vote on with the name that they attach. You can also send, you can include your team's email addresses here if they have SparkHub accounts, in which case this document will appear in their shared with me folder, and then everybody can collaborate on the same document. So one master copy that everybody can edit and view. That's the sharing capability. And finally, you can toggle between edit and presentation mode. We're in edit mode now. We can take it into presentation mode that cleans up the interface, makes it a little bit more conducive to a focused discussion, and then everything else works pretty much how you expected. You can expand and collapse to go into detail, as well as show additional images, slides, whatever it is that you like to exhibit to really drive your points home. So you can do it again from this level, or if you want to keep it simpler, you can just keep it at the evidence summary level. That's it for how to create, share, and present your first SparkHub documents. Thank you for your time.